the most powerful electric cars ever built. Not long ago, electric cars were considered slow alternatives to real performance vehicles. Today, some of them produce more horsepower than the world's most extreme hypercars. With instant torque, advanced battery technology, and power figures that once belonged only to science fiction, these machines have completely redefined what performance means. These are the most powerful electric cars ever built. Number 10. Devil 16 EV. Sometimes a vehicle becomes famous long before anyone sees what it's truly capable of. The Devil 16 EV exists in that territory between engineering ambition and science fiction. While the original Devil 16 gained attention for its outrageous performance claims, discussions surrounding a possible electric version pushed those expectations even further. Take one of the most extreme automotive concepts ever imagined and combine it with next-generation electric power. Its futuristic design already looks more like an experimental spacecraft than a road-going vehicle. The razor-sharp bodywork, ultra-low stance, fighter jet-inspired canopy, and dramatic proportions make it appear decades ahead of conventional hypercars. Projected specifications have suggested an all-electric multi-motor powertrain capable of producing well over 2,000 horsepower, with performance targets aimed at 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. A top speed exceeding 250 miles per hour and a weight expected to remain below 5,000 pounds. What makes the concept fascinating is the scale of its ambition. Rather than competing with existing EV hypercars, it was envisioned as a machine designed to redefine the upper limits of electric performance altogether. Advanced aerodynamics, lightweight construction, and extreme battery technology would be required to make such figures possible, placing the vehicle among the most ambitious EV concepts ever discussed. The Devil 16 EV represents the kind of bold thinking that continues pushing electric performance into unexplored territory. 9. Pininfarina Battista. Some electric cars aim to be fast. The Pininfarina Battista was created to make fast feel effortless. Developed by the legendary Italian design house Pininfarina, Battista combines breathtaking design with some of the most extreme electric performance ever placed into a production vehicle. It wasn't built merely to compete with traditional hypercars. It was built to prove that the future of performance could be electric without sacrificing beauty or emotion. Its sculpted bodywork looks like rolling artwork, yet every curve serves an aerodynamic purpose. The low stance, active aerodynamic elements, futuristic lighting, and seamless surfaces create a machine that appears as advanced as the technology hidden beneath it. Power comes from a quad-motor all-wheel drive electric powertrain, producing around 1,900 horsepower and approximately 1,726 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 1.8 seconds, reach a top speed near 217 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 4,800 pounds. What makes the Battista especially impressive is how it manages that power. Advanced torque vectoring technology constantly distributes energy between all 4 wheels, allowing the car to remain stable and controllable despite delivering nearly 2,000 horsepower instantly. The cabin feels equally futuristic, combining advanced digital displays with handcrafted luxury materials. Unlike many hypercars that focus entirely on speed, the Battista also delivers comfort and refinement worthy of a grand tourer. The Battista didn't just prove electric cars could match the world's best hypercars. It proved they could do it with elegance, sophistication, and astonishing power. Some electric cars are fast, others completely redefine what fast means. 8. Xiaomi SU7 Ultra. The biggest shock wasn't that Xiaomi built a car. The biggest shock was how quickly it built one capable of challenging the world's best performance machines. When the Xiaomi SU7 Ultra was revealed, many people expected an ambitious electric sedan. What they got instead was a 4-door EV with hypercar-level performance figures that immediately forced the automotive industry to pay attention. Xiaomi positioned it as a road-legal race car, and the specifications backed up that claim. Its aggressive aerodynamic package separates it from the standard SU7 instantly. Massive carbon fiber components, a large rear wing, track-focused bodywork, and advanced cooling systems give the car a presence that feels more Nürburgring than city street power. Comes from a tri-motor all-wheel drive electric powertrain, producing approximately 1,526 horsepower and 1,305 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 2.0 seconds, reach a top speed of around 217 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 5,200 pounds. What makes the SU7 Ultra especially remarkable is that it doesn't come from a traditional performance car manufacturer. Xiaomi developed a sophisticated tri-motor system and extreme performance software capable of handling more than 1,500 horsepower. The result is a sedan that accelerates harder than many hypercars, while still offering 4 doors and everyday usability. For an industry that once underestimated Chinese performance cars, that achievement was impossible to ignore. The SU7 Ultra didn't just enter the electric performance conversation, it arrived and demanded a seat at the head of the table. 7. Rimac Nevera. For years, electric cars were expected to follow the performance standards set by hypercars. Then the Rimac Nevera arrived and created its own standards. Built by the Croatian company Rimac, the Nevera shocked the automotive industry by delivering performance figures that seemed almost impossible for a production vehicle. It wasn't just another electric hypercar. It became a demonstration of what happens when software, battery technology, and engineering are pushed to their absolute limits. Its sleek, aerodynamic body looks futuristic from every angle. Sharp lighting elements, active aerodynamic components, and sculpted carbon fiber surfaces create a machine that appears more like advanced technology on wheels. Every detail was designed to manage extreme speed and power. Power comes from a quad-motor all-wheel drive electric powertrain, producing around 1,914 horsepower and approximately 1,741 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 1.74 seconds, reach a top speed near 258 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 5,100 pounds. What stunned the industry wasn't only the acceleration. The Nevera demonstrated that an electric vehicle could outperform many of the world's most respected hypercars while maintaining exceptional stability and control. Its advanced torque vectoring system continuously adjusts power delivery to each wheel hundreds of times per second, creating levels of grip and precision that traditional mechanical systems struggle to match. Combined with sophisticated software, the car feels as intelligent as it is powerful. The Nevera didn't just join the electric hypercar race, it changed the finish line for everyone else. Subscribe if you're enjoying this, because the next EV combines breathtaking design with hypercar acceleration. 6. Mercedes-AMG EQE 53. Luxury and electric power were expected. What nobody expected was an AMG capable of delivering performance like this without a V8. The Mercedes-AMG EQE 53 marked a major shift for one of the most respected performance divisions in the automotive world. For decades, AMG built its reputation on thunderous engines and aggressive character. The EQE 53 proved that electric technology could create excitement in a completely different way. Its sleek aerodynamic shape, illuminated front design, muscular proportions, and futuristic styling help separate it from traditional AMG sedans. Power comes from a dual-motor all-wheel drive electric powertrain, producing up to 677 horsepower with the AMG Dynamic Plus package and approximately 738 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.2 seconds, reach a top speed near 149 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 5,500 pounds. What surprised the industry was how successfully AMG translated its performance philosophy into the electric era. Instant torque, advanced chassis tuning, rear-wheel steering, and sophisticated performance software combined to create a driving experience that feels worthy of the AMG badge. Featuring the massive hyperscreen display, advanced digital systems, and cutting-edge driver technologies that transform the car into a rolling technology showcase. The EQE 53 didn't just prove that AMG could build a serious EV, it proved that electric performance had officially entered the luxury performance mainstream. 5. Tesla Roadster. Long before electric hypercars started producing thousands of horsepower, there was one car that forced the industry to take EVs seriously. The Tesla Roadster changed everything. When it arrived, most people associated electric cars with slow acceleration, limited range, and uninspiring performance. Tesla challenged that perception by building a sports car that proved battery-powered vehicles could be fast, exciting, and genuinely desirable. Its compact Roadster design looked relatively simple compared to modern EV hypercars. But beneath the lightweight body sat technology that would help reshape the automotive industry. At the time, few manufacturers believed electric vehicles could attract performance enthusiasts. Power came from a rear-mounted electric motor, producing around 248 horsepower and approximately 273 pound-feet of torque. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.9 seconds, reach a top speed near 125 miles per hour, and weighed roughly 2,700 pounds. Those numbers may seem modest today, but they were revolutionary for an EV of its era. More importantly, the Roadster demonstrated that lithium-ion battery technology could deliver practical driving range while still providing impressive performance. The car's success forced manufacturers around the world to reconsider their EV strategies. What many companies viewed as a niche technology suddenly looked like the future of the industry. The Tesla Roadster wasn't the most powerful electric car ever built. But without it, many of the powerful EVs on this list might never have existed. 4. Lucid Air Sapphire. The automotive world expected Lucid to build a luxury EV. Nobody expected it to build one capable of embarrassing hypercars. The Lucid Air Sapphire transformed the idea of an electric sedan by combining executive car comfort with performance figures normally reserved for the world's fastest supercars. It wasn't created merely to compete with other luxury EVs. It was engineered to redefine what a four-door electric vehicle could achieve. Its design remains elegant and understated, avoiding the aggressive styling often associated with high-performance cars. The smooth aerodynamic body, sleek lighting elements, and premium appearance hide a level of performance that few people expect from a luxury sedan. Power comes from a tri-motor all-wheel drive electric powertrain, producing approximately 1,234 horsepower and around 1,430 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 1.9 seconds, reach a top speed near 205 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 5,300 pounds. What shocked the industry wasn't just the acceleration. It was the fact that Lucid achieved these numbers while maintaining exceptional comfort. Most performance cars force compromises. The Sapphire seemed determined to avoid them. Advanced torque vectoring technology, sophisticated suspension systems, and cutting-edge battery engineering helped the vehicle remain remarkably composed despite producing more than 1,200 horsepower. The result is performance that feels effortless rather than intimidating. The Air Sapphire didn't simply challenge the world's fastest electric sedans. It proved that luxury and extreme performance no longer have to exist in separate categories. 3. NIO EP9. The NIO EP9 arrived and showed they could become terrifyingly fast instead. When NIO unveiled the EP9, many people had never even heard of the company. Designed as a technology showcase, the EP9 demonstrated that electric performance could compete with, and in some cases outperform, the world's most advanced hypercars. Its appearance immediately reflected that mission. Massive aerodynamic tunnels, aggressive bodywork, huge wings, and race-inspired proportions made the EP9 look more like a Le Mans prototype than a road-going vehicle. Every surface was engineered to generate downforce and maximize performance. Power comes from a quad-motor all-wheel drive electric powertrain, producing approximately 1,341 horsepower and around 1,091 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 2.7 seconds, reach a top speed near 196 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 3,800 pounds. What shocked the industry most was its ability to set lap records at major racing circuits around the world. At a time when many people still questioned whether EVs belonged on racetracks, the EP9 delivered performance that forced enthusiasts and manufacturers to rethink electric potential. It wasn't simply fast in a straight line, it was engineered to dominate entire circuits. The EP9 didn't just prove electric cars could compete with hypercars, it proved they could become some of the most advanced performance machines ever built. Drop a comment if this caught your attention, because the next machine shattered expectations across the entire industry. 2. Draco GTE. Most electric sedans focus on efficiency, luxury, or practicality. The Draco GTE was built with a completely different goal, delivering absurd levels of power. When Draco Motors unveiled the GTE, it immediately grabbed attention by combining four-door practicality with hypercar-grade performance. Instead of following the traditional luxury sedan formula, the company engineered a machine capable of competing with some of the most powerful EVs in the world. Its design balances elegance and aggression. The low stance, wide body, aerodynamic enhancements, and sharp styling cues give the GTE a presence that feels more exotic than executive. It looks fast before the wheels even start moving. Power comes from a quad-motor all-wheel drive electric powertrain, producing approximately 1,200 horsepower and around 6,491 pound-feet of wheel torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 2.9 seconds, reach a top speed near 206 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 5,100 pounds. What shocked the industry wasn't just the horsepower figure, it was the advanced torque vectoring system capable of controlling each wheel independently. This technology allows the car to distribute power with incredible precision, creating levels of stability and cornering performance that few conventional vehicles can match. The GTE also demonstrated how software was becoming just as important as mechanical engineering. Sophisticated control systems constantly monitor traction, grip, and performance, helping transform enormous power into usable speed. The Draco GTE didn't arrive to follow the electric performance revolution. It arrived to show just how extreme that revolution could become. 1. GMC Hummer EV. Nobody expected one of the biggest and heaviest electric vehicles ever built to become one of the most powerful. When GMC revived the Hummer name, many assumed it would simply be an electric version of a famous off-road vehicle. Instead, engineers created a technological showcase packed with massive power, advanced features, and performance figures that seemed impossible for something this large. Its design remains unmistakably Hummer. The enormous stance, illuminated front grille, aggressive proportions, and futuristic details give it a presence unlike anything else on the road. It looks less like a pickup truck and more like a military vehicle from the future. The Hummer EV Pickup Edition, one uses a tri-motor all-wheel drive electric powertrain, producing around 1,000 horsepower and approximately 1,200 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.0 seconds, reach a top speed near 106 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 9,000 pounds. What shocked the automotive industry wasn't just the horsepower. It was the fact that a vehicle weighing nearly 4.5 tons could launch with the urgency of a sports car. The instant torque of the electric motors completely changed expectations for what a heavy truck could do. The Hummer EV also introduced technologies like crab walk, rear-wheel steering, adaptive air suspension, and advanced off-road systems that demonstrated the flexibility of modern EV platforms. It wasn't just powerful, it was packed with innovation. After seeing machines like these, it's clear that the electric era isn't coming someday. It's already here. From luxury sedans and hypercars to off-road giants, these vehicles prove that electric power is capable of delivering performance levels the automotive world once thought impossible. Tell me which one you'd drive first, hit like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe for more content like this.